Hi there, this is Paul Ponna. Welcome to this Videoappsuite demo. Now I'm super excited firstly to introduce you to our brand new video platform called Videoappsuite, which is 8 different video creation tools that we're giving for the price of one with a massive twist. Now, I'll get to that twist in a second, but these 8 different types of videos that you can create are just mind-blowing, and customers will get access to some cool templates and so on that they can immediately use to create different styles of videos. And I'll talk about what kind of videos in just a second. But the twist is what makes it so valuable. This is easily the most valuable offer that we've ever put together. And that twist is every single customer will also have the option where they can not only use these 8 powerful tools to create videos for their own business, but also with a commercial license, they can create it for other clients as well. But they can now just jump in and start kickstarting their very own video software business with all these apps using the included turnkey business in a box license that we're also offering, which means we will be providing all the sales pages, the sales videos, the marketing materials, and everything else so that people can get up and running fast. All right, so let's jump right in. As you can see, I'm in the Videoappsuite dashboard that you see on my screen right now. All the 8 apps right here that you can see are part of the Videoappsuite platform, and every single app comes with their own templates. They're super easy to use, and the rendering takes just a few minutes, so users can create any kind of video. And I'll tell you a little bit about what kind of videos that they can create. Just imagine all the latest, hottest styles of videos. You can create those with Videoappsuite. And on top of that, if that wasn't enough, we also have one cool tool called right here Custom Video FX that also allows you to import any other video that you created with any app out there, including our own apps or any of the other video creation apps out there, and start creating unique videos by adding additional text effects, animations, even creating square videos or vertical videos and so on that is good for social media websites like Facebook, Instagram, and so on. And that is also included as part of Videoappsuite with, yes, you guessed it, the turnkey business in a box license, which means they all come with sales pages, they all come with the marketing materials and the sales videos and all that good stuff that were created by a professional copywriter. So let's go step by step. Let me show you how each app is unique, how each app is really high quality, how each app can really benefit the end user. And then we're going to jump in right away and literally show you how and what kind of videos that you can create using Videoappsuite. And as I said, the cool thing is these apps have never been sold before, and on top of that, these are super high quality. And not only do you have the ability to create videos for yourself and clients, but also using the turnkey business in a box license, that is also an option. You can actually sell these apps as your own and become your very own product creator, start your own software business, and also become an influencer. As you probably know, video tools and technologies are the best-selling type of software on the internet right now. Nothing even comes close to it. In fact, as you can see from this article, Vimeo recently acquired short-form video creation platform Magisto for over $200 million just a few months ago. And this is only going to become the norm because video is the future, and it is also going to be much, much bigger down the line. And so what you're getting access to is that high level of apps here that allows anybody to create their own software business. The first app that is part of Videoappsuite is the Intro Outro Expert, and this allows you to create awesome intros, meaning logo reveals and all that good stuff, but also outros, which means call to actions and so on after a video ends. Now, this comes with a whole bunch of templates and so on, but also the great part is you can edit any element and make it unique to yourself. Here's an example of the type of videos that you can create with Intro Outro Expert. Next, we have Cover Pro, which is an awesome Facebook Video Cover Creator. Now, with Facebook Video Covers, the great part is that it captivates people's attention, but also builds a brand for any fan page or any business or a brand out there. And the great part is it's super easy to use and it comes with all kinds of good templates. So let me show you an example of the type of Facebook compliant video covers that are included as part of this awesome app. Pretty cool, right? Now just imagine you yourself being able to just create it in just a few minutes and then upload it into any business's profile or even your own fan page and so on, and captivate people's attention because they are specific dimensions that Facebook likes and accepts that this app allows you to do. Now, the next app that we have is Live Mockup. Now you can add your own logos, images, and so on to live moving, live action scenes. And the beauty with this is that it attracts people's attention and the ability for you to immediately grab people's attention and increase engagement. Think of it this way. In social media right now, when people are scrolling down, you can't really upload GIFs and so on, right? But you can upload these live mock-up videos where when people see it, just get amazed by it, yes, but secondly, they will actually click on the links that you want them to click on, and also your calls to actions and visit your websites and so on, making your ads more powerful as well as getting you a lot better results with social media campaigns and social media videos. So let's check out an example of the kind of videos that you can create with Live Mockup app. Next, we have Slide Machine, which is a professional slideshow video maker app. And the cool thing with this is you can create promo videos, you can create e-commerce, promotional clips, as well as demonstration videos for certain products and services that you have to offer using this one powerful yet easy to use app. So let me show you the type of videos that you can create, an example of it. And once you jump on it, it'll make a lot more sense and it's super easy to use. So you can immediately start creating results, getting videos with this one app as well. And then we have Story Monarch, which builds professional and engaging Facebook and Instagram video stories. Now, you probably already know Facebook, Instagram, and all these platforms are pushing this heavily. They get featured on the very top of news feeds and so on. So the traffic and viral potential is incredible here. And so with this, you can easily use the built-in templates, which come in different industries and a variety of offline businesses, e-commerce stores, and products and services that you can offer. So you use them, customize them to your heart's desire, and boom, you can start creating all kinds of beautiful video stories across these platforms using this one app. So let me show you an example of the type of videos that you can create with Story Monarch. The sixth app that customers will be getting access to is the Whiteboarder app, which is a video commercial style whiteboard video maker app. And the cool thing is with this, you can use the built-in templates to modify it, customize it to your heart's desire. And these videos have been hot for a long time now. And I'll show you some examples of it in just a second. But these whiteboard style videos and sketch style videos have been the rage for online for many years now, and they will be for a long time to come. So you can create these types of videos too with this awesome whiteboard app. So let's check out a couple of them. The seventh app users will be getting access to is Video Ads Architect, which creates futuristic next generation video and square ads for social media. This is the most accepted format of video right now, the hottest form of video, getting incredible engagement. A lot of the big influencers, brands, and so on are using this format of video. And the reason is it's mobile friendly, right? Majority of users are mobile users for social media. So if you want to create ads for social media, this is the best app to do so. Comes with a bunch of templates. So let me show you an example of the type of videos that you can create using the templates. Most of them are for offline businesses and niche videos for brands, for even e-commerce websites, and so on and so forth. So it's very, very relevant and very useful. And finally, the eighth app is Custom Video Effects. And this allows you to upload any video from any video creation app that you've ever used, or any royalty-free videos that you already have, or any kind of footage that you can imagine into this one app and add your own text effects, lower third elements, animations, and a whole lot more. You can even convert any video into a landscape, square, portrait, or vertical style videos for social media, and spice them up even further than that. Rather than actually tell you about it, let me actually show you what it exactly does. All you need to do, click start, create a new project, select a video. I'm going to use one of my videos that you see here, and boom, you have it right here opened up. Now I can do the aspect ratios. I can make it square like so to make it compatible with social media. I can change the aspect ratio like so. I could even fill it, like zoom it in like this, and for example, center it a bit. I can position myself so it'll look perfect on social media like so, right? And I can do that as well, or do something like this. So you have different options available. And on top of that, the other great part about this is, let's say I went back to this old aspect ratio of a square video to fit it in. I can also, on top of that, if that wasn't enough, create specific style action videos that a lot of people are doing, like overlays. What I mean by that is you can quickly create these types of awesome effects that you see here, right? That you see here on the top and at the bottom that you see right here. You can do beautiful looking, attention grabbing videos like this, what all the top influencers and video creators are doing these days with this one easy to use app. And I can just click done here and see how it shows up in the preview right here. Now you can run video ads with this. You can also put viral video content out there, and you can literally convert any video into an attention grabbing social media traffic generating video using this cool little app called Custom Video Effects. Now, how do I recreate this? Super easy, okay? We click on this simple option that you see here. So let me quickly show you how easy and fast it is to replicate this entire process. So let me show you, let me clear everything so I can show you right from scratch. Click create overlay. All the video is gonna show up, the preview right here. You just click on shapes here, and then I'm gonna put a rectangle shape. Pretty straightforward. You can change all the colors, anything that you want here. You can add arrows and all that kind of good stuff here to make it even more enticing and exciting. And then you can also change the color scheme with the color palette that you see here, or you can even change the background and texture and all that good stuff. For the purpose of saving time, I'm not going to do that right now, but let me just quickly close, and then we can add a text here as well. So I'm just going to add in, I'm going to put this text. I want to put it white color text. I just put a text bottom and everything is editable. And then I'm going to just type in what I typed in there. So use this to grow your business, right? And then you can just click apply, and then we can do all kinds of good stuff. Watch this. We can put it here. I can reduce the size. I can make it into two options here, whatever I want to do, really, if you think about it, right? And I can put an exclamation mark here. And then what we can do next is we can add one of these nice little shapes. So I can add, for example, emoticons, stickers, shapes, doodles, everything I want. So in this case, it's a doodle. I'll put this doodle right here, right? And you can even make it, because these are transparent background doodles, so you can even put it up here, or you can do it here. You get the idea. They look good anyway, wherever you decide to put it. And you can even put it here, okay? And you can even raise up this text slightly a bit like so, if you want. And then we have on the top as well that we can do. So if you click apply, I can go back and then I can do the same shape that I was telling you about. So let's go back and draw the shapes. Again, a rectangle, I go to the top here, and I just want to make it such that it would take over the background here. So once again, apply, go back, add text. Let's go to the text section here, boom, and add text, go back, and then we will add the text with the color, go back here, and then we can even reduce the size of it so that it fits a little bit here, for example. So I can just go back and then I can do the text style here and I can reduce the size. And you can even, for that matter, reduce it by actually going back here and then reducing it like so, okay? Super easy to do with that rather than going back and changing the font and all that. So if I wanted, I could now put the other stickers right now. So if I go to emoticons and then let's see the guy, somebody, I can put, for example, one of these just to grab attention, right? And then I could put something like that and then click apply and boom, the top done button on the top. And there we go. Pretty nice, right? And gives us a preview, and this can be a video ad, a social media post, a viral video, whatever it is that you can do with it. And again, we can even play the video. Watch this. Hey, this is Paul Ponna. I have some great news for you. So there we go. Pretty good. So we can do this for any video. Then you just have to click create video and you're good to go. And the beauty is with this, there is no length limitation here. So you can put any video that you want. There's no limitation on how long that video can be, which makes it even better. So you can have any video up here and make it fully customizable. Now, this was a video with my face on, for example. What if you want to put any video, like an explainer video, like a royalty-free video and so on? Let me show you an example of that and upload another video of mine. I can go back and go this yoga studio video and I can change this over a bit, as you can see. And then I could, for example, do the same exact same thing that I did, right? And we can add explainers as well, right? Beautiful. Again, I can add any element here to the bottom that you see. This part right here, I could do any element I want. I can add, say, for example, come to our yoga studio or benefits of yoga or something like that. And even on the top, I can do anything I want here as well. So it gives that real oomph to your videos. With the included turnkey business in a box license, users also get these done for you sales pages written by professional copywriter with fully done sales videos, which are very captivating. And on top of that, all these demos and example videos and previews and so on as well, pretty much ready to go. So users get everything that they need in one place to kickstart their very own lucrative software business right off the bat. This concludes the quick, short demo of Videoappsuite, which is literally the tip of the iceberg. When you're exploring it and enjoy using it, you'll explore a lot of the great features as well inside. And the great part is Videoappsuite comes with 0 limits, which means the only limit is your imagination. So I hope you enjoy using it and have as much fun as we had creating this entire Videoappsuite package for you. Welcome to Videoappsuite White Label License Members area. Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through what you're getting access to as a part of a White Label License member, as well as walk you through each of the apps, where you can access them and how can you access them and so on, and also talk a little bit about all the features that you're getting here so that this will be a one-stop shop where you can get everything you need to check out what every single app does, and then you can go and start using it and enjoying the upgrade. All right, so first things first, the White Label License upgrade comes with 4 additional software businesses as well. And then we have the bonus Sales Video Builder app. First, let's talk about that, and then we'll jump into the White Label License itself. How can you activate it? How can you use it? And all that good stuff. So first things first, you get the Motion Text Animator app, which is that software business that is included as a special deal here, which is one of the 4 tools that you're going to be getting that turnkey business to, which is basically a really cool animated text effects and commercials creation software. And the great part about this is that you don't need anything like After Effects or something to start using this. And yes, you also get the sales video, sales pages, and so on to start selling this app as your own. And the next one is the healthcare video effects app. Now, this creates videos specifically in the healthcare or medical marketplace. Think chiropractors, physical therapists, salons, dermatologists, you get this, all nutritionists and so on, right? Anything related to the medical field. And the good part about these, and this is very important to note, is although we've given you templates in different industries, they are super easy to replace and make changes to, so that you can convert a dermatologist template into, for example, chiropractor template, or for example, physical therapist to another type of medical one, like a gym or a clinic, pain relief clinic, for example, and so on, right? Same thing, for example, if you have a plastic surgeon template, you can move that over into something else, and on, because all these fields are very similar. You just have to replace a few here and there, and you have a beautiful looking video in different medical and health niches. Okay, that's the reason why we have this app, and all the templates are designed specifically for this industry. So you can start creating it for clients, as well as you have that turnkey business included, which means you get the sales pages, the sales videos, and everything you need to start selling this app as your own as well. And I'll talk a little bit about how you can do all that in just a second, where can you access it and so on. And finally, you have the third one, which is the Realtor Video Machine app, which again allows you to create specific videos for realtors, as well as anybody in the real estate space, like mortgage brokers and so on, right? So you can start using it for real estate investors, mortgage brokers, realtors, and anybody in that space. And the good thing about this is, again, it's designed specifically for this marketplace. So you can just replace a few images here and there, and you can design beautiful looking videos in that market. And the other great part about this process is that every single template is customizable, so that you can add in your own elements and make it unique to you. And that means it gives you unlimited amount of flexibilities in what you can achieve. So again, this comes with the sales pages, the sales videos, and so on, to start selling this app as your own. And this is really good as well, where the clients who might buy this are realtors, for example, who might want to create videos for their own business and so on, right? So that is the great part about these specific niche videos, where you can sell it to the actual client itself, so they can start using the app, and you can charge them a monthly subscription and so on to start using this app, or maybe a singular one-time payment to get the foot in the door, so to speak, for these clients. Up to you, whatever you decide. And we have the Local Video Turbo app, which is the fourth app. And so the Local Video Turbo app allows you to create local business videos. Now, think of it like hair salons, electricians, car dealers, mechanics, travel agencies. You get it. Any kind of local business you can imagine, you can create videos for these. And the good thing about these templates, again, is they're very flexible, so that they're applicable to different industries. You don't have to just rely upon our templates alone, but you can modify them to be able to use it for any local business, not just the ones we provide as templates, okay? And once again, these can be sold to clients as videos, or you can even sell the entire application as your own, which means you get the sales pages, the sales videos, the software licenses, and so on, that you can sell as your own, which gives you that added benefit, where if it is somebody you want to sell this business to is in a local industry, you can sell it to them so that they can create videos for their own business. For example, like a travel agency, let's say they want to create videos and market their products and services. Maybe they have a small team of 2 or 3 employees. They want to do that. You can sell this as a subscription or a one-time payment, up to you, and you can start getting results that way. And finally, the last app that is included is a bonus app called Sales Video Builder app. Now, the great part about this particular app is it comes as a special bonus. And the reason why it's a special bonus is that every single sales video that you got for all the 12 apps, which is 8 in the main Videoappsuite offer, and then you have these 4 additional ones I just talked about, a total of 12, they come with sales pages, but also the sales videos, right? What if you want to edit those sales videos? What if you wanted to add, for example, your own logos or customization elements like that? Maybe put your own photo on there because you want to brand it as your own. Maybe you wanted to add a few elements in there that you thought would be beneficial for you in your industry or in your for your own clients and so on. Well, now you can by modifying all the sales videos that were created by our team, all the professional ones. And now you can add your own images, logos, and all kinds of customization elements there, which means you got it right. You can customize it to your heart's desire. So there's never a worry about saturation and so on because it's all customized to you. You're never gonna have to be the same as everybody else. All right, so let's jump into these 4 apps plus the bonus social video builder app, and then let me show you how you can access them, and then from there let's talk about how you can start using them, including those sales pages, sales videos, and so on that is included. So first things first, these apps are located under these premium sections as soon as you log into your Videoappsuite hub. Okay, so that's located in videoappsuitehub.com. That is a special URL where you can access all the apps, right? And the 4 are highlighted like so. As you can see, that premium, 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 and premium. Now you're gonna say it's 4. Where's that 5th one? Well, you just have to scroll up slightly and you're gonna find that 5th one. You see that right here? The Realtor Video Machine is right on top, right? So, okay. So basically, now the next question you'll be wondering is, okay, that's all great, Paul. Now let's check out every single app. All right, so all you have to do is just click the login button and then you'll come into the Realtor Video Machine, which is straightforward. As you can see, pretty much templates included. You just click on one of these, preview it. I'm just gonna pause this. I'm gonna click create. And once you're here, you have these placeholders. Okay, now these placeholders are all editable, these blue ones that you see here. So buy a new dream car is editable, right? So for example, and if you wanted even the starting at $2,000 editable, luxury apartments right in downtown, and those editable texts are right below in these fields. Okay, pretty straightforward stuff. So you just edit them and then you're good to go. And then when you're done, you can click next, and then you can even change the images. Okay, so this is the image panel right here. It shows you what image is currently there. We have a kitchen image. You see this image right here is a kitchen image. So that is basically the image that you can replace, and then you can add your own, and then you can start using that as well. So again, you go click next, next, next. You finish all these placeholders, finish it to how you want it. You can add a few things, your own text and so on, and then you're good to go. All right. So same thing is again back to motion text animator. So we go there once again, not much. You got the straightforward, easy to use dashboard. You get the previews. You can check out all of these previews, the cinematic, and then all these good other epic teasers and all that good stuff, right? So you can start using those as well. And then once again, click on it. It's going to show you the duration of it. This particular one is 60 seconds with titles. And then we are good to go again, all over again. So it's going to show you which parts are editable and what you can add where. And then you can start using this process. Nice. All right. So the next thing I wanted to show you and talk about here specifically is this, and that is the healthcare video effects. Now, healthcare video effects has an interesting element here, and that is you have built-in healthcare professional templates here, like dermatologist, dentist, and so on, right? Now, if we go to dermatologist, what I wanted to show you is it comes with 5 scenes and so on. Now, this is for a dermatologist, right? It could very well be changed into a plastic surgeon template. You don't have to do much other than change the images into plastic surgeon friendly images, right? Like for example, all I need to do is, let me show you here. All right, so the quickest way to change these images, and by the way, this applies to all the apps that you're getting access to, is you see these images in the video right here. So all you have to do is go into these 2 platforms that I like. One is basically unsplash.com, unsplash.com, and then you can search. Like, let's say I wanted to search here plastic surgeon. It comes up with all these actual photos of plastic surgeons. And the other one I can go for is pixabay.com, and you know, Each website has its own different styles. This one right here, I just type in surgeon and comes up with these nice little images that you can use, like this one right here, and on and on and on. So the good thing about this one that I like is that you have unlimited options available here that you can use for your own benefit. And the other thing is, let's say I wanted to not create a plastic surgeon video, but let's say I wanted to create an acupuncturist video, right? For an acupuncturist. So I just go in, put acupuncture, and boom, I have all acupuncture based actual videos for these industries. Okay. So that is the other thing as well that we can do. And again, if you don't find anything here, just copy that thing and then go back to Pixabay and you can type the same thing here, and they might have it or they might not. It's the good thing is that you have options available here. Okay. See that they have some here. That's great. Okay, cool. So you get unlimited options doing so. Now, all you have to do is, for example, if I like this one, I just right click, save image as, I save it into my computer, and then all I have to do is click on this image right here that you see, this image right here, and then I just have to select that, and then I can just go into, as you can see here, browse. The browse button is what you can use. Okay, this browse button, and you're good to go. And then you can browse it from your computer and load that in, and you're good to go. All right, so the next video creation software that we have is Local Video Turbo. Let's log into that real quick. There we go. So the local video is right here with all the local businesses. And once again, these are all templates. And just because it is in one industry doesn't mean it only applies to that one industry. You can actually use it and customize it to your heart's desire. It's just that they have their own transitions and their own effects and so on. So if you like one of these, but you want to apply it and reuse it for other industries as well, you can definitely use it. You just have to replace the images and the actual text that is in them and make it applicable to the industry that you're going into. Okay, pretty straightforward, similar to what I showed you earlier. And then we have the Sales Video Builder app. Again, the Sales Video Builder app is a bonus, and this is all the sales videos that you're getting access to for all these software businesses that you're getting as a part of Videoappsuite. So let's say I wanted to do it for the custom video effects app that you see on top right now, right? You can use it for any one of these, but let's say this one right here on the top. Okay, let's go to that one right now and let's jump in. So custom video effects. This is the preview. You can check it out. And then you can click create video and boom. So we have all the placeholders here for every section. So here it says, this is Tony, right? You could change this over to, for example, this is Paul, or this is James, or whatever, right? This is Melissa, you get the idea. And then this element again can be changed as well. He's looking for a tool. You can put whatever you want. And then you got, here's the problem, and so on and so forth, right? So basically it's going in that sales video angle. And the reason why I love this is because you have the capability of changing these images in the middle as well. Okay, you see these images, these ones with apples and so on, that those all can be changed. This one with the currency here and so on and on. We can change these as well. So literally we could create a pain point and a solution for a video, so it can be applicable to other types of videos that you're going to build as well. Okay, so that is another good thing. And the great part is these videos are also come with actual voiceovers being done for them specifically for these. So if you just quickly wanted to change a few things, right, and say you wanted to change this logo from custom video effects to your own logo, and that's it, that's the only change you wanted to make, then you're good to go as well, right? Like you can just get any logo that you want and create a logo, and boom, you can immediately change this logo right here, and then you can start putting your own logo and on. And the great part about this is any logo creation software, there's so many free ones as well you can use to create this logo of your own and then import this from your computer. And then this can be your own sales video for your own app. So nobody will ever know it's custom video effects. It's your own. Okay, so that is what you're going to be getting access to as well, all the sales videos to edit, and for all these 12 apps. All right, so now that you know how to use these 4 apps plus the Sales Video Builder bonus app and how to get up and running with those, let's talk about the actual white label itself. Yes, you can of course download the sales pages by clicking on this button right here, right? You can click on it and you can download the sales pages and modify them, make them your own and so on. Now, in the very next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump in and I'm going to show you exactly how to use the white labeling feature for this upgrade that you got access to, where you can actually modify the app itself, meaning you can brand the app as your own, putting your own logos and names and so on. So that allows you to have zero saturation, obviously, and also gives you more flexibility to do whatever you desire with it, and nobody will ever know that it is an app included as part of Videoappsuite, for example, ever. So let me jump into that in the very next video so I can go through it step by step and show you how you can use the white label feature.